Today we are going to be pressure washing all the curbs on this commercial property, including some sidewalk, some flat surface cleaning. We got the trailer, pressure washer tank, 8 gallons per minute, the whole 9 yards. If you guys are looking at how to land these commercial jobs and get these things completed to be able to make the money and grow your business, stay tuned. This video is for you. All right, just taking out our hoses, letting that tank fill. And I'm just gonna take this job chill. Put some music on, maybe not, and do my thing. Yes, sir, baby. We're about to get started. We have the machine running. Got a turbo nozzle. We also have our J-rod in case we want to throw the 45-degree tip on or whatnot. And I'm wasting water, so let me go and get that ball valve real quick. We always want to save the gear, right? I don't want nothing in my eyes. Got the water here. We're gonna get started. It's gonna get dark. I got some lights out here. It's part of the game, baby. I love this. Look at that. Ooh, let's do it. All right, so you can just see right there, guys, the difference. I have this J-rod here. I think that's gonna work the best. See right here. I'll do a half and half for you there. All right, so we just started. Turbo nozzle, definitely better. Take a look at that difference right there. Yeah, turbo nozzle definitely better. Definitely dirty, but we're gonna keep it going, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. I mean, obviously I'm not using chemical and whatnot because that is not what I'm getting paid for. So, yeah. All right, we just finished up. Pretty much like 5%. I'm looking for a spigot on this side so I can connect and pretty much bang out this whole side at once. All the curbs up to the middle, and then the sidewalk up there. We have water here. Yes, we do. We're live. So, I mean, I'm enjoying this, bro. I love this. This is what I've been working towards, and this is just straight experience for me, right? So, like, I mean, the pay might be a little bit lower than what I would normally charge, but the experience, right? Like, for me coming out here during the nighttime, coming across obstacles that in the future I don't want to come across, right? When it's the bigger jobs. So that's why I take on these jobs. We did all these curbs here. We did all the curbs going all the way down and around the corner wherever my hose could reach. Obviously, if I had a bigger hose, it would make my life a little easier. But at the same time, YOLO, we're here. Once again, experience. Now I know for the next time, I definitely needed another hose, right? So you guys just have to learn from your mistakes, or also, that's not a mistake, but when you see the opportunity to learn, you take it. We're just running these hoses. Yep. You can see before, after. Banging this thing out, man. Look at them curves. Let's get it. It's a little scary out here, not gonna lie, but we're here. Okay. So all through here, put in the curbs. Curbs all around. Sidewalk up. Curbs all the way around. Did this whole sidewalk here. Pretty much to the entranceway there. Curbs going all the way around. Had to come back on that side just to finish the front end of that building. And then we are wrapping up, guys. That's what we're talking about, baby. Look at that setup. And I just can't believe how much we're growing. I love that. I never want to get rid of this. Never. All right, boys. It's currently 11 o'clock on the dot. I have a huge headache. Haven't really eaten much. Boots are off. Toes are wet. Water's filling. It's 90% of the way done. I just have to fill up a little bit of water to get right by the exit. And then we're good to go, boys. It's actually not too bad. I mean, if I didn't have a headache, it'd be a little better. I ate some dinner, but I mean, it's just all flat work, guys. Nothing too crazy. All I need is a freaking surface cleaner and a wand. So back to it. Let's go. It is 12 o'clock now, and we are all done. Curbs look good. Sidewalks are super clean. I'm wrapping up these hoses. This is the worst part about the job, guys, is pulling these hoses, man. They're super heavy, full of water. But we finished all the way up to the entrance. This is a Christian school. There we go. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys for following along the video, getting some tips and tricks with me as I'm out here. 12 o'clock in the morning, getting this done, you know? So appreciate you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. We got more content coming and more educational content too. So catch you on the next one.